Hello, people. See who I have with me. That is this little guy sleeping like this. They say rabbits in particular are very the kind of uh, they are prey animals, so they are never fully at rest. They are always. So for a rabbit to sleep like this, the way he's sleeping, like he's almost dead, is it indicates that the animal is completely comfortable. And I lie down here and I read and stuff, so for him to come and stay in the same place, that means that's what it's he's sharing my space with me, when in fact rabbits are very territorial. So I just can keep looking at this guy because I find it so fascinating that an animal, he didn't know me 3 months ago. 3 months ago probably he wasn't even on the planet. He's just a 3-month old baby, but he's come to be so important, and I love to keep stroking him, chatting with him. It's just so much fun having a pet in the house, truly. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.